Cold, raw, damp start today across many parts of the country, the exception being the far west. Over in Northern Ireland, the Outer Hebrides, we've seen temperatures reaching 11 degrees, despite the fact the winds are blowing very strongly, gale-force winds from the south across the northern part of Scotland. But for many central and eastern parts, we're struggling here with temperatures around about 4 to 6 degrees during the afternoon. Now, the milder weather's tucked in behind this weather system here, these mild southwesterly winds pushing up across the country during the next 24 hours. But eventually we'll find the high pressure building out of Iceland. That high pressure will take over for the weekend. That'll push colder weather back southwards again as we go through Saturday and Sunday. But with the high pressure, it does mean to say that many places will become fine, but there'll be frost at night. Now, this morning we've seen a belt of rain coming in from the west, some sleet and snow too for the higher ground, say above 200 or 300 metres. But the milder weather tucking in all the time, so that snow is now a diminishing risk. There's still some pockets of rain to come across many parts of the country during the afternoon, the exception being the extreme southeastern corner here, where it could well be bright at times and probably staying dry as well. Some drier interludes on the eastern side of Scotland as well as we go through the afternoon, but still pretty windy there. And some extensive and heavier rain returning across the north and west of Scotland and Northern Ireland through tonight. Patchy rain further south, even approaching East Anglia and the southeast. And with it being pretty cold there could be some sleet up on the downs, but generally speaking, a pretty mild night, it must be said. Tomorrow then, looking pretty gloomy first thing, some outbreaks of drizzly rain across the southern and eastern parts of England, some wetter weather across Scotland and into Northern Ireland. And the first sign of the colder weather beginning to move into the far north of Scotland as that rain turns to sleet and snow up on the mountains come tomorrow evening. Well, there's the high pressure beginning to move in from the north during Friday, but this weather system will certainly have quite a kick to it. Some heavy rain connected to that, adding to the problems with snow melt, of course, which is now taking place with these higher temperatures. So for many central and eastern parts of England on Friday, nice and dry and some bright weather too, but still pretty chilly, 6 or 7 degrees, the best we can expect. The rain band with some snow on its northern limit, pushing southwards, and some wetter weather coming in through Ireland as well, with some heavier rain at times, perhaps in the far southwest of England. That band of cloud with occasional rain pushing further south during Saturday with brighter skies following, but those temperatures only 4 or 5 degrees, and we'll see a pretty bitter wind coming in from the North Sea by that time as well. So quite a bit of frost around come Sunday and Monday mornings. I think as far as daytime's concerned, though, for Sunday, a good deal of sunshine around. Maybe 1 or 2 wintry showers in the southeastern corner, but most places